Investigation of temperature, pH, and electrical conductivity of pure water and normal saline under the influence of T consciousness fields 2. This experiment has been conducted under the supervision of Mohammad Ali Taheri, the founder of Cosmo Intel Research Center. The outline of my talk is as follows: T consciousness, the aim of this study, material and methods, results, discussion, conclusion, research team, and references. Many scientific theories have been proposed about consciousness during the current century. According to Taheri, T consciousness is the fundamental element of the universe, and it's the origin of matter, energy, and information. There are various T consciousness fields that involve non-physical entities. These fields can be investigated through laboratory experiments. The aim of this study was to investigate the effects of one type of T consciousness fields, named T consciousness field 2, on temperature, pH, and electrical conductivity of pure water and normal saline. This experiment was carried out using a double-blind method where lab technicians were completely unaware of T consciousness field theory, and the individual at the Cosmo Intel Research Center who applied T consciousness field 2 was unaware of the details of this study. In all experiments, the laboratory temperature was around 22 degrees of centigrade and the humidity was 21%. The pH, temperature, and electrical conductivity were measured according to standard methods. The values of the mentioned properties were recorded during 5 measurements: time 0 before starting the treatment, 1 4 hours after treatment, 2 8 hours after treatment, 3 24 hours after treatment, and finally time 4 48 hours after treatment. The obtained results showed that the temperature of pure water remained unchanged under the influence of T consciousness field 2 compared to the control. Also, in normal saline, the temperature changes in control and T consciousness field 2 treated sample followed a similar pattern. The pH of pure water had an upward trend over 48 hours, whereas normal saline exhibited fluctuations. Although the changes under T consciousness field 2 were not statistically significant, this treatment led to different results. At the end of the period, pH of pure water rose, but normal salines decreased. Unlike the pH and temperature, electrical conductivity of T consciousness field 2 treated pure water reduced significantly after 8 hours. This property in the control and treated sample of normal saline was decreasing, but with a greater slope in the sample in the first 8 hours. Electrical conductivity refers to the capacity of liquid to conduct an electric charge. One of the most important factors affecting this ability is ion concentrations. The altered electrical conductivity under T consciousness field 2 may be attributed to the reduced ions in samples. Considering the role of solutes in increasing the entropy of the solution system, the decrease in electrical conductivity of the samples compared to the controls can indicate a reduction in entropy under the influence of T consciousness field 2. In our previous experiment on pure water, the calculation of thermodynamic parameters showed that T consciousness field 2 reduced the total entropy. We suggest that the concentration of chloride ion as well as carbon dioxide and oxygen levels be measured under the influence of this field. In conclusion, the effects of T consciousness field 2 on physical-chemical properties of water were more evident after 8 hours. Among different studied properties, electrical conductivity appears to be more influenced by this field. Although the exact mechanism of T consciousness fields remained unknown in this study, it's obvious that the behavior of treated samples in comparison with the controls has been changed. According to T consciousness theory, these observed changes necessitate energy supplied by T consciousness fields. This type of energy provided by T consciousness fields has been named as waveless hidden energy by Taheri. Our research team and thanks for your attention.